The Arctic is no longer a frozen wasteland of the past. As of the 24th of February 2026, it has become the most contested piece of geography on the planet. Deep within the Pentagon and the newly reorganized Department of the Interior, a classified strategy known as the Golden Dome is being whispered about in hushed tones. This is not just a missile defense system, it is a total geopolitical reimagining of the North American continent. For over a century, the United States relied on the Atlantic and Pacific Oceans for security, but the melting ice of 2026 has opened a third, vulnerable front. The Golden Dome is the American response, a massive, high-tech Arctic fortress designed to secure the trillions of dollars in untapped minerals and the new global shipping lanes that are emerging as the ice retreats at record speeds. Hello friends, welcome back to Geo Unseen. Today we break down the Golden Dome and why the US is racing to turn the North Pole into a military and industrial stronghold. The year 2026 has brought a brutal realization to Washington. The invisible border of the North is gone. For decades, the Arctic was a natural barrier, but today, it is a highway. With Russia deploying its new project 23550 icebreaking corvettes and China declaring itself a near-Arctic state, the US has been forced into an aggressive, multi-billion-dollar counter move. The Golden Dome plan involves the construction of a chain of deep-water ports and semi-permanent modular bases across the Alaskan North Slope and the Aleutian Islands. These aren't just tents in the snow. They are AI-governed surveillance hubs equipped with long-range hypersonic interceptors. As of mid-February 2026, construction has reportedly begun on Fort Sentinel, a subterranean command center carved directly into the permafrost, designed to survive a nuclear strike while coordinating drone swarms across the entire Arctic Circle. But the Golden Dome is about more than just military defense. It is a desperate play for resource sovereignty in a world where minerals are becoming more valuable than oil. Beneath the Arctic ice lies an estimated 13% of the world's undiscovered oil and a staggering 30% of its natural gas. More importantly for the 2026 economy, the region is rich in the very rare earth metals that power our modern world, from lithium to cobalt. The secret plan involves using the US military as a shield for a new wave of American mining giants. By declaring these zones national security reserves, the administration is bypassing decades of environmental regulations to fast-track extraction. In early 2026, the first Golden Dome industrial hub was established near Point Barrow, marking the beginning of what many are calling the Second Cold War one, fought not over ideologies, but over the physical elements of the 21st century. The reach of this Arctic fortress extends into the digital and logistical realm as well. The US is currently laying thousands of miles of Arctic fiber subsea cables that run through the Northwest Passage, guarded by autonomous underwater vehicles. This infrastructure is designed to give the US a data transfer speed advantage between London and Tokyo that bypasses the traditional vulnerable choke points of the Suez Canal and the Malacca Strait. In the 2026 landscape, the nation that controls the fastest route between East and West controls the global market. The Golden Dome is the lid being placed on the top of the world, ensuring that as the ice melts, American dominance remains frozen in place. This is the new front line, and as we speak, the first layers of this digital and physical dome are being activated, forever changing the map of the world. The deployment of the Golden Dome is not happening in a vacuum. It is a direct response to what intelligence agencies in 2026 call the polar pincer. While the United States was focused on the deserts of the Middle East, Russia was quietly transforming the northern sea route into a Silk Road on ice, reinforced by a fleet of over 40 nuclear-powered icebreakers. As of late February 2026, the Kremlin has officially declared the Arctic its primary strategic bastion, claiming that any ship entering these waters without Russian permission is a violation of their sovereign territory. The Golden Dome is the American sledgehammer designed to shatter this Russian monopoly. By establishing a permanent military presence at the very top of the world, the US is effectively placing a geopolitical toll booth at the entrance of the Arctic, forcing Russia to either share the route or face a total blockade of its northern energy exports. This is the Great Arctic Standoff of 2026. The technical backbone of the Golden Dome relies on a secret network of acoustic tripwires laid across the Arctic seabed. These sensors, activated in early 2026, are so sensitive they can detect the vibration of a Russian Bore-class submarine from over 500 miles away. This creates a transparent ocean where the stealth advantage of the Russian Navy, their greatest pride, is completely neutralized. Furthermore, the plan includes the deployment of strategic solar mirrors, experimental satellites that can reflect sunlight onto specific Arctic corridors to keep vital shipping lanes open, even during the pitch-black polar winter. In the high-stakes game of 2026, the US isn't just defending the land, they are literally weaponizing the weather and the environment to ensure their logistics never stop moving. But the most dangerous aspect of the Golden Dome is how it targets China's Polar Silk Road ambitions. In 2026, Beijing is desperate for an alternative to the Malacca Strait, which the US Navy can close at any moment. China has poured billions into Russian Arctic infrastructure, hoping to secure a safe passage for their goods to Europe. The Golden Dome ruins this plan. By fortifying the Bering Strait, the narrow 5-mile gap between Alaska and Russia, the US has created a kill switch for China's northern trade. As of the 24th of February, 2026, the US has stationed a permanent fleet of autonomous ghost ships in the strait, equipped with electronic warfare suites capable of blinding any vessel that doesn't transmit an authorized American digital handshake. China is finding out that their near-Arctic status means nothing when the actual gatekeeper of the North is an American fortress. The financial cost of this Arctic fortresses is staggering, but the alternative is worse. In 2026, the world is shifting toward a block-based economy. If the US loses control of the Arctic, they lose control of the 21st century's most important shortcut. The Golden Dome is a gamble that the American taxpayer is willing to fund $1 trillion shield to protect a frozen ocean that most will never see. But as the ice continues to vanish, the importance of this dome only grows. We are witnessing the first phase of a global land grab where the map is being redrawn with missiles and icebreakers. The Golden Dome isn't just about security. It's about making sure that when the ice is gone, the only flag flying at the top of the world is the Stars and Stripes. The final phase of the Golden Dome is being activated as we speak, and it is pushing the world toward a Arctic flashpoint that no treaty can contain. As of the 24th of February 2026, the diplomatic corridors of the United Nations are in a state of panic over what experts call the sovereignty paradox. While the US claims the Golden Dome is a defensive shield for North America, Russia and China have officially labeled it an act of environmental aggression. The tension reached a fever pitch last week when a Russian icebreaker was intercepted by an American autonomous swarm near the Lomonosov Ridge. This isn't just a border dispute. It is the first time in history that two nuclear powers are fighting over territory that, until a few years ago, didn't even exist on a navigable map. The year 2026 has introduced a terrifying new element to this standoff: deep-sea infrastructure sabotage. The Golden Dome relies on a fragile web of sensors and fiber optic cables resting on the shifting Arctic seabed. In retaliation for the American blockade, specialized Russian research submersibles have been detected near the Aleutian Trench, allegedly testing the vulnerabilities of the US acoustic tripwires. But the ultimate gamble of the Golden Dome is its impact on the global south. By seizing control of the Arctic routes, the US is effectively creating a two-tier global trade system. In 2026, if you are an ally of the Golden Dome, your goods travel through the fast, cheap Northern Passage. If you are not, you are forced to use the longer, more expensive, and increasingly dangerous traditional routes. This logistical apartheid is driving a wedge between the Western Alliance and the rest of the world. It is forcing neutral nations to pick a side in the Arctic War of 2026, turning the North Pole into the ultimate geopolitical filter. The Golden Dome isn't just protecting America, it is policing the entire world's ability to trade. The conclusion for 2026 is a chilling one. The Arctic is no longer a neutral scientific frontier, it is the most fortified roof on the planet. The Golden Dome is a masterpiece of engineering and a monster of geopolitics. It has successfully secured the American backdoor, but at the cost of turning the North Pole into a permanent combat zone. As the ice continues to melt, the dome will only become more rigid, more automated, and more dangerous. If you want to stay ahead of the secret wars and hidden maps that are defining our future in 2026, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe Geo Unseen YouTube channel. We are bringing you the intelligence that the mainstream media refuses to cover. Stay sharp, stay informed, and we'll catch you in the next one. Peace from Geo Unseen.